Results of the Karnataka elections 2023 for the district Bengaluru Central, which constitutes 7 constituencies, and they are Chamrajpet, Chikpet, Gandhinagar, Rajajinagar, Rajarajeshwari Nagar, Shantinagar, and Shivajinagar. Here we begin with Chamrajpet constituency. From Chamrajpet constituency, Congress candidate BZ Zamir Ahmed emerged victorious, securing 77,631 votes, and he won with the margin of 53,953 votes. BJP candidate Bhaskar Rao secured 23,678 votes, and JDS candidate C. Govindaraj secured 19,086 votes. From Chikpet constituency, BJP candidate Uday B. Garudachar emerged victorious, securing 57,299 votes, and he won with the margin of 12,113 votes. Congress candidate R.V. Devraj secured 45,186 votes, and JDS candidate Imran Pasha 1,588 votes. From Gandhinagar constituency, Congress candidate Dinesh Gundu Rao emerged victorious, securing 54,118 votes, and he won with the margin of 105 votes. BJP candidate Saptagiri Gowda secured 54,013 votes, and JDS candidate V. Narayanaswamy secured 12,857 votes. From Rajarajeshwari Nagar constituency, BJP candidate Muni Ratna emerged victorious, securing 1,27,980 votes, and he won with the margin of 11,842 votes. Congress candidate Kusuma H secured 1,16,138 votes, and JDS candidate Dr. V. Narayanaswamy secured 7,795 votes. From Shantinagar constituency, Congress candidate N.A. Harris emerged victorious, securing 61,030 votes, and he won with the margin of 7,125 votes. BJP candidate K. Shivkumar secured 53,905 votes. From Shivajinagar constituency, Congress candidate Rizwan Arshad emerged victorious, securing 64,913 votes, and he won with the margin of 23,194 votes. BJP candidate Chandra N secured 41,719 votes,